Oh. Oh. That's all you gonna make it do? What you doing, Mac? Tell our fans, hey to the vlog.
Hey, Bob.
Tell our people, hey, June. Got my daddy right there.
Howdy.
Say hey to the people, Jai.
Hey.
Fat Mac, bring it back. Why are you taking it right over there?
I'm gonna bring that thing home.
It's got a charger pack. He needs batteries for his Lamborghini car. I don't know. It's in the house. He got to go see. All right, stay tuned, y'all. We'll be back again with another video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Dita Roy Fat Mac.
Yeah, peace.
Lorraine rocking around with her pocketbook and still got the tag on it. All right, y'all. We'll be back soon.
Go